Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the first day of IPL quiz. So YouTube live IPL quiz, and thank you viewers for the 1,000 subscribers. So we have completed a total of 1,000 subscribers in past few months. Thank you for that. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. So in this quiz, this is the IPL YouTube live quiz. We will be having few questions on IPL. You have to listen to the questions and answer in the Google form that is provided in the description. So don't miss this, and please submit the answers before 9 p.m. No answers after 9 p.m. will be taken into account. So be on time. So here we go. Very first question. Let's begin with very easy question. Question 1. In which year Indian Premier League IPL was established by BCCI? So in which year Indian Premier League was established by BCCI? So BCCI established the Indian Premier League in which year is what we are looking for. So this is the first question. So easy one. So in which year BCCI established IPL is what I am looking for. Moving on to the next question. Question 2. Player of the series of the inaugural session of the IPL was also the Orange Cap winner. True or false? So you have to give the statement true or false. If this statement is true, write true. If this is false, go for false. Player of the series of the inaugural session of IPL was also the Orange Cap winner. True or false? As simple as that. So simply tell if the player of the series was the Orange Cap winner, right, go for true, or otherwise say false. Moving on to the next question, without doing any further delay. Question number 3. So this team played only 30 matches. The most number of matches they played was with Mumbai Indians. So which team? So this particular team played only 30 matches, and obviously it got dissolved. It came into existence for a certain reason, obviously. So simply tell which particular team which has the most number of matches they played is with Mumbai Indians. Simply tell which team. Easy one. So clue was also given. That it came into existence for a certain reason and it got dissolved. 30 matches, played the highest number of matches against Mumbai Indians. So moving to the next question. Question 4. So we know we have the sponsors of the IPL. In different year we have different sponsors of the IPL. So at the very first year we had DLF, and it was for some years, and then the Pepsi IPL followed, and now it is Dream 11. So simply tell in which year DLF IPL became Pepsi IPL. So which was the first session, first year when Pepsi IPL held. So in which year Pepsi IPL held for the first time is what I am looking for. Question number 4. We will do question number 5. So question 5, easy one, and you have to say what is the second highest partnership for Kings 11 Punjab in IPL. What is the second highest? What is the second highest total by partnership? Second highest partnership for Kings 11 Punjab in IPL. Easy one. So you have to say. So you have to give me basically name of two batsmen. So and also tell what is the total run of that particular partnership, and for the number I will give you a clue. So clue would be Ganguly, Kohli and Dhoni. So Ganguly, Kohli and Dhoni would be clue for the number, and simply tell the two batsmen who were involved in this particular partnership. So moving on to next question. Question number 6. So question number 6. Question number 6. Shubman Gill this year can be seen having one particular organization sticker which was established by a former cricketer. So name the organization and the cricketer. So Shubman Gill this year in IPL 2020 can be seen using a sticker in his bat uh, of particular organization which was established by another cricketer. So simply tell which particular organization and which particular former Indian cricketer am I looking for. So two-part question, organization and the person and the cricketer. So moving on to question number 7. So Virat Kohli is the highest run scorer as of now in IPL overall. In very first IPL, he was dismissed by which bowler for just one run. So in the very first IPL, which he played for RCB, Virat Kohli was dismissed by a particular person. So who was that bowler? And for clue, infamously, he is always in news when it comes to IPL and when someone concedes more than 50 runs. So that would be a good clue that infamously he is always in news. The bowler, he is always in news when it comes to IPL and only when someone concedes 50 runs or more in 4 overs. 50 runs in or more in 4 overs. Whenever a particular bowler concedes, so this particular bowler's name comes into news infamously. So simply tell which particular bowler dismissed Virat Kohli in the very first IPL where he was dismissed for just one run. Easy one. Question 8. So for 2013, so listen carefully. Question number 8 is for 2013 it was for two batsmen, Suresh Raina and Virat Kohli. For 2019 it was again for two batsmen. So they were Prithvi Shaw and Chris Gayle. Now who is or are will fit for 2020? So for 2013 it was Raina and Virat Kohli. For 2019 it was Prithvi Shaw and Gayle. For 2020 who will fit in this particular list and how? So who and how is what we are looking for. So simply tell who in the list is the entrant for 2020 and what is this list all about. So two-part answer. So moving on to penultimate question, question 9. So in 2014 one particular IPL match was tied in Super Over 2. So as we know, when tie in 2020 overs takes place, a Super Over is played, and even then if there is another tie, nowadays it is under Super Over rule. But in 2014 one particular IPL match was tied in Super Over 2. If one of the team was Rajasthan Royal, who is the other team? Which is the other team? So Rajasthan Royal was one team for that particular instance, and which team is the other team for this particular instance? And for question number 10, so the last question. In 2009, IPL took place in South Africa, and the finals took place in the Wanderers Stadium. So why in 2009 it wasn't played in India? So IPL wasn't played in 2009 in India, but took place in South Africa, and the finals took place in the Wanderers Stadium. So simply tell what was the very specific reason that 2009 IPL didn't take place in India. So what specific reason was that? As simple as that. So a quick recap. In question number 10, I'm looking for why 2009 IPL wasn't played in India. For question number 9, I'm looking for I'm looking for a particular team which was one of the team. One team was Rajasthan Royal, where one particular IPL match was tied in Super Over as well. So tied in Super Over and one in 2014, and one team was Rajasthan Royals, which team is the other. So in question number 8, I'm looking for a particular person, to particular entrant in from 2020. 2013 we had Suresh Raina and Virat Kohli, and 2019 we have Prithvi Shaw and Chris Gayle. So who is the entrant for 2020? For question number 7, we are looking for the name of the bowler who dismissed Virat Kohli for just 1 run in the very first match that Virat Kohli played. Question number 6, we are looking for the name of the organization and the particular former cricketer whose Tikar and Shubman Gill connection would do. So question number 5, we are looking for the second highest partnership for Kings 11 Punjab. For question 4, we are looking for when was the Pepsi IPL held for the very first time. For question 3, we are looking for a particular team which played only 30 matches and the maximum number of games they played was against Mumbai Indians. Question number 2, we are looking for if the statement was true or false. In 2000, in the inaugural session of IPL, the orange cap winner was the player of the series, true or false. And in question number 1, we are looking for the established year when BCCI established the IPL. So that's all in the IPL Day 1 quiz. Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel, and do share with your friends and like the video, and please submit your answer before 9 p.m. So that's all. Thank you.